So hello guys and welcome back to our class about dropshipping, Shopify and e-commerce. So right now you have received all the knowledge, so you'll be able to create your own store, and by this class your store should be almost ready or almost ready, and you should be at the terms of your 14 days trial. So you should be at the end of your 14 days trial. So after that, what are the next steps? The next steps are for you to get a Shopify membership, which will give you access to the full platform, and you'll be able to sell online. So you have three different memberships that Shopify offers you. You have the basic, the Shopify Plus, and the advanced Shopify. Honestly, I suggest you to start out with the basic one. It's when you're a new business. Shopify offers a lot of interesting things. It offers you a staff account, 24/7 support. It offers you the access to hundreds of applications in their Shopify stores, as I showed you. The only thing you don't have with the basic Shopify is giving gift cards and the professional reports. That's the only difference between this one and the $79 one. Also, when you're just starting out, it's not a big deal to start small, and when your Shopify is making a lot of sales, you can go up. Where it becomes interesting is here, and why to go from the $29 to this one right here is when your store will scale and you will make a lot of sales. Let's say 100 sales per month. They will be more interesting to go with the advanced Shopify, because they give you smaller, they charge you a bit less, because with the normal Shopify for credit card rates you have 2.9%. So on each transaction that a customer makes on your website, you have Shopify fees of 2.9% and 2% fees of any other provider other than Shopify payment. So as I said, the one that I suggest you to go with is the basic Shopify. So it's for new businesses that are just starting out. You can cancel whenever you want. If you pay for a year, you have a discount. So this one is the basic one. If you already have a business, which is right now a physical business and not online, you already have consumers, and if you already have employees, then I'll suggest you to go with this one right here, because you will have 5 staff accounts. You'll be able to put 5 persons on the store who will work on the store, and also the fees are far less than the first one. If you're just starting out, go with this one. If you already have a business, with this one here, and when you will scale your business, maybe then think about going with the Shopify Plus account. So congratulations guys for building up your first store, and this is for the Shopify pricing.